Starting boxing can feel overwhelming. So many techniques, punches, and movements. It's hard to know where to begin. But what if I told you that mastering the fundamentals first can make you faster, stronger, and more confident in the ring? Today, I'll break down the 10 essential boxing basics every beginner must know, so you can start your journey the right way. Whether your goal is fitness, self-defense, or competitive boxing, building a solid foundation is crucial. We'll cover stance, punches, footwork, defense, conditioning, mental toughness, and more. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to focus on in your training. Putt. Mastering the boxing stance. Your stance is the cornerstone of all boxing techniques. It gives you balance, mobility, and power. Key points for right-handed orthodox boxers. Feet. Left foot forward, right foot back, shoulder width apart. Knees. Slightly bent to maintain stability weight distribution, even between both feet hands. Left hand at eye level, right hand near the chin-chin. Tucked to protect your jaw tip. Always stay light on your feet, ready to move in any direction. A good stance allows you to defend, attack, and shift quickly. Understanding the basic punches. There are 6 primary punches every beginner should know. Jab, you're a 1. Quick lead hand punch to measure distance and set combos cross, you're a 2. Powerful rear hand punch, usually following the jab lead hook, you're a 3. Horizontal punch from your lead hand aimed at head or body, rear hook, you're a 4. Horizontal rear hand punch with more power lead uppercut, it's a 5. Upward punch from lead hand targeting the chin rear uppercut, it's a 6. Powerful upward punch from rear hand tip. Practice each punch slowly at first to perfect form. Speed comes later, but accuracy and mechanics build the foundation. Developing effective footwork. Footwork lets you control distance, create angles, and maintain balance. Movements to practice. Step forward, backward. Lead foot moves first. Step sideways. Lead foot moves first. Rear foot follows. Pivot, rotate on lead foot to change angles tip. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and stay on the balls of your feet for quick movement. Remember, every punch starts from the ground. Your legs drive your power. Implementing defensive techniques. Defense is just as important as offense. Learn to protect yourself. Key techniques. Blocking. Absorb or deflect punches with gloves, arms parrying. Redirect incoming punches with quick hand movements, slipping. Move your head to avoid a punch bobbing and weaving. Bend knees and move head under punches. Rolling. Rotate shoulders to deflect hooks. Tip. Combine defense with proper footwork to avoid strikes while staying in position to counter. 5. Practicing shadow boxing. Shadow boxing is training without a partner or bag. Benefits: improves form and technique, enhances footwork and movement fluidity, trains combination flow, acts as a cardio workout. Tip: visualize an opponent, focus on smooth movement and practice throwing combinations with purpose. Shadow boxing builds muscle memory. 6. Building stamina and conditioning. Boxing is physically demanding, so endurance is key. Effective methods: cardio, running, cycling, skipping, rope strength training, push-ups, squats, planks, interval training, alternate high-intensity and low-intensity periods. Tip: consistent conditioning reduces fatigue and improves performance during training and fights. Understanding punch combinations. Combining punches effectively overwhelms opponents and creates openings. Basic combos to start with: jab cross, 1-2, jab cross hook, 1-2-3, jab cross uppercut, 1-2-5. Tip: practice slowly, then gradually increase speed. Focus on smooth transitions between punches, not just raw power. Embracing consistent practice. Progress comes from daily repetition and focused training. shadow boxing, and drills, daily controlled sparring to apply techniques, adequate rest and recovery to prevent injuries. Tip: consistency builds skill, confidence, and muscle memory. Seeking professional guidance. While self-practice is important, coaching accelerates progress. Benefits: personalized feedback, structured training plans, motivation and accountability. Tip: even occasional sessions with a coach can correct bad habits before they become ingrained. 10. Cultivating mental toughness. Boxing is as much mental as it is physical. Focus on concentration on technique and strategy, resilience during setbacks, confidence in your abilities. Tip: mental toughness improves performance, helps you stay composed under pressure, and keeps you pushing when it gets tough. Mastering these fundamentals, stance, punches, footwork, defense, conditioning, combinations, and mental toughness will give you a solid foundation for your boxing journey. Practice consistently, focus on technique, and embrace the challenge. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below. Which of these basics will you practice first?